Mayor Richard Gomez is a shoulder to lean on and a hand to hold in Ormoc City. It literally happened while the actor Politico was at the Ormoc City Superdome. Gomez and Sangguniang Panlalawigan board member Vince Rama were there to check on the Gamaleya Sputnik V COVID-19 inoculation of another set of A1, A2, and A3 priority groups. More than 1,600 persons received their first dose that day, including a very nervous lady who had Gomez as her knight in shining armor. The dashing mayor offered his hand to the woman while getting her vaccine shot. But it doesn't end there. When Gomez posted the photo on Instagram, his friend and fellow actor John Estrada had this reaction. The Ormoc mayor replied,
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.